Good morning, children. Today you will study how to convert units using the decimal shift. You have already studied the decimal shift for multiplication and division. Today we will use these decimal shift to convert the units. See, children, suppose first we will convert rupee and paise. Okay? Rupees to paise and paise to rupees. So first we will convert rupees to paise, and on this side we will convert paise to rupees using decimals. Paise to rupees. Okay, this one is very easy and you will like it also how to do this one. So let us first have, you should know how many paise make a rupee. So you know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. Okay, so how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So now you will be very confident in using this one. So you know that there are 2 zeros. Okay, now let us come to first rupee to paise. So let us see rupees half. How much is half rupees? So rupees half is what? Half of how much? Half of 100 paise. Okay, so half of 100 paise is 100. Half of 100 is 50 paise. So rupees half is 50 paise. You know this. Okay, you are very good now in how to multiply fractions and all. So you can easily multiply. So the question we have already studied, whenever you have a fraction, you should ask of what. So when you ask the question of what, you will get this as 100 because 1 rupee is 100 paise. So half of 100 is 50 paise. Now you will convert this paise to rupee. So what you will do, you will write this 50 and what will you write? 2 zeros. 100. It is 50 divided by 100. So it is a decimal shift. Okay. So how to write the decimal shift? You can write this as like this also. I'm writing here 50 by 100 is 50 divided by 100. So how many points should the decimal shift? The decimal should shift to 2 places. So 50 means it is 50.0. Okay. So the point comes like this and the point will come here. So the answer will be 0.50, or you can also write 0.50. It is rupees 0.50. Let us do this with 1 by 10 now. So rupees 1 by 10. Now you should know how to calculate 1 by 10 of what? 1 by 10 of 100 paise. So 100 by 10 or 100 divided by 10, you can cancel the zeros. You will get this as 10 paise. Now this 10 paise you have to write in decimals. So 10 paise will be 10 divided by 100. Okay. So there is no point here, children. So don't get confused that there is no point. How to bring the point? If there is no point in a whole number, you remember the point is here. Okay. And then you bring it back. So 2 zeros means 2 houses. So 1, 2. The point will come here. So you will get the answer as 0.10. You can put a 0 here and it will be rupees 0.10. Okay. Now let us see one more. Number C is rupees 5 by 100. So it is 5 by 100 of what? 5 by 100 of 100. 100 get cancelled. So it becomes 5 paise. And this 5 paise is what? Actually it is 5.0. Okay. And then we are going to divide by 100. There are 2 zeros and 2 decimal shifting should happen. There is only 1 digit. So what will you have to put? You will have to put a 0 here and your answer will be rupees 0.05. You can do that for any number, children. Say rupees 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of what? It is 3 by 4 of, sorry, it should be 3 by 4 of 100. You can do 3 into 100, 300 by 4, or you can also cancel and see as is convenient to you. You will get this answer as 75 paise. So 75 paise means what? It is 75.0. Okay. And again you will have to divide by 100. So there are 2 zeros. So this point comes here, again here. So the answer is rupees 0.75. Okay. I think this part is clear. When you do a little more practice, this will become clearer.